My name is Akash. I work with Universal Robots as an application as well as customer support engineer. As you can see here, this is our Universal Robot 5E model. The payload capacity of the robot is 5 kg as well as the reach of 850 mm. So this robot is a collaborative robot. That means it's completely safe to work along with the humans. No safety sensors, fencings, area scanners, nothing is required. It's completely safe to work along with the humans. Today here in the exhibition, we have just demonstrated a simple pick and place application wherein the robot is picking up the parts and placing it at the appropriate locations.
So right now it's moving the cans.
Yes.
I've seen that. But if somebody manually moves one can,
Uh-huh.
does it detect?
Yeah, definitely. There is an option for that. You need to interface a vision system with the robot that can detect the presence of the part as well as the location. As of now, we have not interfaced a vision system. It's just a gripper as well as a robot. Yes. So like 99% of the applications is most often in industries, the robots are integrated with a vision system wherein the position of the part is always not constant. If the position of the part varies, then we interface a vision system with the robot.
The company is delivering this from Gizmo.
Yes.
Have a branch in Bangalore?
Yes, we have a branch in Bangalore. We have an office in Hebal.